Hello, welcome to Triple Empire Agency, where we spill the tea on digital marketing. I'm Natasha. I'm your coach for today. Today we'll be branding our digital marketing flyer template. If you would like to download your template to follow along, click the link below. Once you download your template, we'll download as a PDF. I like to open mine in Google Chrome. So I actually click and grab, drop. So we'll open up my PDF. As you will see, you have a markup of your template. The link to take you to edit the template, our YouTube information, and also our Facebook group. So to edit the template, we're going to click here. Then we'll bring it to another markup in Canvas. As you can see, it's created by me. Then you go down here to it say use template. You will click on it. Then it will open up to where you're able to edit the template in Canvas. You know you're able to edit it because it's highlighting a purple box around. So everything that you're able to edit, it'll highlight a purple box. The first thing we will do is delete add your photo. So you will click, hit the trash can to delete. Then I'm going to change the color of the background to my branding color. And anything that you're able to move up, down, or make smaller or longer, or should I say shorter and longer, it will have these little lines. And remember, when highlight purple, it means you have some type of editing you can do to it or some type of movement. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit. So I would like to enter my website. So I'm going to highlight what I want to remove. Then I'm going to type in my website. Now with this, say if your website is shorter than mine or longer than mine, you will click, make sure you have the purple box around. Go up to the top to the three lines and the arrow will say spacing. And you will click. Now it will say letter spacing. So once you bring it in, as you can see, bring your letters close together. Once you goes out, space your letters. If you go too far, gonna do like that. So you want to where it fit perfectly. Now you can leave your words just like it, or you can change it, switch it up, however you like. Now one thing I do like is to do is make sure my box fit my wording, and then I'm gonna scoot it over to make sure it's centered. Now as you can see, you see the little dotted lines. That means it's centered to this. So if I move it, and as you can see, when you see a long line, that means it's centered to the flyer. Okay, make sure. As you see, when I move it over a little bit, it's centered to the bottom of the wording, but I want it to be centered to the flyer. So I make sure I have that dark line. Now say if I want to change the font, I'll make sure my purple box around. Okay. And I will change to the font that I would like. Same here. Now this is curves. So say you want to edit, all you do is double click. Now you see this is group. So since it's group, you want to make sure you have this one and double click, and then you're able to change what you would like. Then you click off, it will curve it back. Now if you do not want this group, you just click and hit ungroup. And how this is not group, but you want it to be group because you would like to make it bigger without recenter everything. You will click highlight, make sure you see both purple box. and then you will hit group. That's the way if you want to move it in and out, it will stay centered. Or if you want to move it somewhere, it's still centered. So now we will add our photo of our product. I'm gonna show you this one, show you how it looks. So say you have this. It's the white background. Now, me, I do not like to have white backgrounds on my flyer because it kind of look low class to me, and I want to brand my business as if it's already a 500 Fortune company. So I like for mine to have background in my photos. Like to look for a more professional look. So if you would like to know how to remove the white background and add a background to it, see how much better they look? Just drop in background in the just drop background in the comments and we'll get the video upload for you. Now you see how that's up some, but you want to bring it down some, you're able to move. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, you're able to do that also. If you don't like how it is sitting, you can change it however you like. Just click, make sure the purple box around, and this here is the movement to make it move. So say I want to make it smaller again, I make sure it's the purple box around it. I'm gonna go to this white dot here, and I'm gonna make it smaller and move it over some. Now say if I want to add another photo right here. Now this is where you would like to use your white background because you won't need the colorful background in the back. Let's say I just want to bring it smaller or something, or I want to make this smaller, then make it bigger. Now this white will not stay there. We're going to remove the white. So as you can see, I want to edit this. So I'm going to make sure I have that purple box around. I'm going to go up here to edit photo, click. Then I'm going to go over to BG removal and remove the white background. Now as you can see, don't have the white background anymore. Now say you want to bring her down some, but you want to, now you can fade her out a little bit, make it transparent to where it looks like she's faded a little into. And there you go. You just made a professional flyer for your marketing. So now you're done. You was able to design your template in less than 3 minutes. So now you say you want to download. So you're going to go click up here to share, go to download. I like to download mine in PNG, but they do have other formats that you can download. Say if you want to go and share on your social media, you'll go to share again, share on social. You are able to connect any of your social media's account to your Canvas. If you would like to schedule, because you don't want to post right now, you will go to schedule. If you would like for us to make a video on how to schedule your digital marketing flyers, in the comment, put schedule and we'll get the video upload for you. If you would like more of these videos, hit that like, share, and subscribe.